How to install Top Hat Better Learning app. Take charge of your education. So you can just tap get and then double click to install it. And then you will just be able to install this app. Engage in learning tools, participate in lively discussions, read interactive textbooks anywhere. Top Hat is the perfect companion app to our comprehensive assessment platform that helps you learn better before, during, and after class. Top Hat makes learning fun and engaging seriously and sets you up for success, helping you connect with your professors, your peers, and the content you are learning in and out of the classroom. So, compelling resources, follow your professor lecture slides on your own device, which can sometimes be super helpful. Contribute in class with an easy-to-use response system that's always with you. Participate with your profs and peers using in-app discussions. Content tailored to your course, experience dynamic interactive textbooks loaded up with images, videos, audio clips, and more. Read your digital materials from anywhere and keep them forever. Quizzes, tests, and polls that improve learning comprehension. Challenge yourself by taking polls and quizzes on your own devices. Improve your knowledge retention with interactive assessment elements. Check for gaps in your understanding with graded and ungraded homework. So just open up the app. This is how it looks like. Then you just need to log in, and then you need to search for the school, for example, and then you just need to enter your email and password. If you forgot your password, you need to enter your email associated with that school. If your university is not listed, you can log in just like that. Like and then so then you can just also include a screenshot if you want to reach out to their support. But you can't create an account just like that. You need to probably be already have an account associated, and that's basically the idea.